everybody, it's the girl Krissy and welcome back to my channel, you guys. So I know I have been MIA for like weeks now. Like I've only been posting like 2 days a week or whatnot. But that's because, you guys, I've been so busy. And then also, you guys, I just feel like my energy has been like so drained because I work every single day but Saturday. And I just feel so tired after I get off work. But you guys, I am back this week, dropping bangers 4 to 5 times this week. So you guys, let's get into this video. So originally I wanted to do Juvia's. I don't know if I want to say Juvia's or Juvia's. The girl at the at Ulta said it was Juvia. I don't know. Juvia. I want to say like it's Hispanic, like Juvia. Okay, so Juvia's Place makeup look, because there's been a controversy over Juvia's Place, you guys. And I wanted to kind of stick upon that and actually test out their makeup, but unfortunately, it wasn't there at Ulta, and I'm going to have to order it. So you guys, I actually am going to place my order for that, and then we're going to be doing that video probably sometime next week when it arrives. So I decided to go in with another high-end brand of makeup that I've wanted to try for the longest time. So today, you guys, I'm going to give you guys a review and demo of the Stila concealer and foundation, you guys. I'm going to start off first, you guys, by priming my eyes with my matte concealer. I absolutely loved how my makeup turned out for my wedding when I primed my eyes with this matte concealer. So you guys, if you do not have this concealer in your makeup bag, you need to have it. It is the MAC NC45 concealer, you guys. I did go like maybe like a shade or two lighter than my normal shade. That's because I use it to actually shape my eyebrows. Yes. Okay, so I'm just actually going to use a flattened brush, and I'm just going to lightly sweep that across my eyes, you guys. This is going to make your colors pop, and yeah, give it life and make it stay. Because what I've been noticing, you guys, my eyes have not been as pigmented, you know, because I have not been really setting them or priming them, and I really want my eyes to pop when I do this makeup look. So I'm just going to throw a little bit of concealer on, you guys, and we're going to prime these eyes. Alright, you guys, next I'm going to go in with this Follow Your Heart palette. I got it from Ulta, you guys. It's by a brand called Essence. I absolutely don't know what this brand is or who it represents, but I do love the shades and the colors of this palette. So the color that we have here is White on White, Choose Latte, Bronze Me, Tickled Pink, First Blush, Rich Copper, Mocha Bean, Chocoholic, that's me on my period, Jet Set, and yeah, I thought this would be a perfect look, you guys, to bring out a specific tone when I add, or look that I'm going to be adding to my face when I use my Stila makeup. So I'm so excited, you guys. I've been wanting to do this for the longest, and I've been wanting to try the Stila makeup for the longest time, and so I'm so stoked about it. I'm going to go in with my White on White, you guys. Next I'm going to go in with Tickled Pink, and then we're just going to play around these colors. I may do a little Bronze Me, a little Rich Copper, a little bit of, you know, we're going to play around this. I really don't have a look. I honestly just want to test out the Stila makeup and do a review for you guys. So next I'm going to go in with this more of this First Blush and this Rich Copper, you guys, just to kind of give me a brightness to my eye, because these lighter tones is not doing it right now for me. I'm just saying. You want to brighten up that eye. Oh, that's pretty. That's so pretty. Alright, so now I'm going to use my Morphe White 20, you guys, and I'm actually going to go in with a little bit of this Rich Copper, and then we're going to go with Jet Set. Ooh, that's going to be so pretty. This is so pretty. This is giving my eyes so much life. You don't even know. Like, this is pretty almost better than my Morphe palettes. My Jaclyn Hill palettes. I am so serious, you guys. Okay, you guys, so now I'm going to go in with this Glitter and Glow. It's a liquid eyeshadow. It is so pretty, you guys. I got it in Baby Ballet. So it's like a pretty pink color because I wanted to do like a pretty, like bright, like color. Like I want to do summer themes. Ideally, you guys, I wanted to do yellow, but yellow is coming. It may be here Friday, but yellow is coming your way, for real. So I'm just going to, this is how it looks, you guys. So I'm going to apply it to my eyes, you guys, my eyelids. Alright, you guys, so now that I have my makeup on, I'm going to clean this up on the sides. And then we're going to go in with the Stila Stay All Day foundation and concealer. So you guys, this is super, super cute. And I figured out how to actually open this up and take it apart. So the top part, you guys, is going to be your concealer. And it even has a cute little mirror. Oh, that's so cute. Okay, so that's your concealer right there. And this can pop out and you can change it and switch it out to different concealers, you know, as it runs out. Then your foundation, you guys. I can get this going. Okay, it's going to be here. So in order to get your foundation out of here, you guys, you're just going to squeeze it. Okay, don't twist it, squeeze it. There it is. Oh, there it is. That's kind of convenient. You can still make a mess, but I guess. Okay, so yes, you guys. So first we're going to go in with the concealer. I'm just going to go up underneath my under eye just to give me a nice little bit more coverage there. I'm going to use my beauty blender, you guys. I've never tried Stila at all, so I just wonder if this is going to be like really, really good coverage of a makeup. It doesn't say that it's like matte foundation. So I don't know, it's just saying that it's like a full coverage. The concealer is not too bad. I honestly, you guys, already put concealer up underneath my eye prior to this, but I mean, it just gave me a little bit of extra coverage underneath my eyes. So I'm going to go in with this foundation, you guys, and I'm just going to use a beauty blender like I normally do for all of my makeup tutorials. And we're just going to squeeze until we get some going. And then we're just going to put it on our face. Now, you guys, I add 2 coats, and I can tell you now, this is light. And I like that it's light because it's super hot this summer. Like, it's been like 80 degrees, and I don't really want to have like a heavy foundation on my face if I am going to wear makeup, because then it'll be sweated out. And we're not trying to sweat it out. But I can tell you this is a very light. It's a little wet, which goes to tell me that this is not maybe matte. It's not a matte foundation. But I do think that I did get good color for my skin. I do think that that's pretty good. It's pretty close to that. Alright, you guys, so I have a full face on right now. I've added my concealer, I've done my highlight, my little bit of blush, I've done my eyes, put my lashes on, I've done everything, and I can honestly say this makeup is so light and it's so blendable with the skin. Like, it's just laying on there very nicely. It goes really well with the concealer. Like, it's not smudged, it's not moved around anywhere. I mean, it's really, really flawless. I'm gonna take a step back for you guys. Now I'm gonna go in with the Stila. This is a lip gloss, you guys. I wanted a lipstick that kind of went in with my eyeshadow that I got from them. This is super uber cute. It's probably more of a pinky nude, like a mauve pink. And it's like a gloss, you guys. Okay, you guys, so the overall look turned out super, super cute. I'm loving how full coverage it is. Like, legitimately, like, one coat, and I normally do 2 coats. And it's just full. It's very light. I feel like I don't really have that much makeup on, even though I do. I'm loving the lip. The lip just gives me so much life with color. So yeah, overall, I would honestly say, if you want a full coverage makeup look, I would definitely go with Stila. I'm gonna be honest, when I use my Fenty Beauty, when I use any of my foundations that I've used so far, besides e.l.f. would give me full coverage in 1 coat. Okay, besides e.l.f., you guys, Stila would probably be my second choice for a full coverage foundation, just because it just gave me that fullness, like in 1 coat. I mean, 1 coat. If this is your first time coming into my channel, you guys, I welcome you. Make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button and that bell so you are alerted when I do upload new videos. And I will see you guys in my next video. You guys, do not forget to share and click that like button at the bottom, you guys. Also, I'm dropping those bangers back to back this week. And then if you guys are just up and up and up and up, then I'm going to do it again next week and then next week, because I am on the road to 1K. So you guys, I will see you in my next video. Bye, love.